Okay, this question is on geometry. Abhishek drew a triangle with sides 55, 2a, 3a and asked his friend Chetan to find the approximate length of its largest side when the area of the triangle is the maximum possible. Oh, this is a question on maxima minima. Help Chetan to find the required answer. Okay, because it is in the form of okay, the three sides 55, 2a, 3a, right? Otherwise, you need to see which one you will take halfway side and which one will be the right, because he's talking about the when the length of the largest side we need to calculate when the area is maximum possible, right? So area maximum possible we need to see when it will be. Okay, so if I go by Hero's formula, right, I need to take semi perimeter. Semi perimeter will be 55 plus 2a plus 3a by 2. So that means it will become 55 plus 5a by 2. Okay, this is my semi perimeter. Now area according to this will be, if you write Hero's formula, right, area, it is going to be your S. Now S, I can take here 5 common also, or let's say 55 plus 5a by 2, that is S. Now S minus a, right, S minus a, that means you will do minus 55. So if I do minus 55 here, so it will become 55 minus 110. So it will become actually 5a minus 55 by 2. Right? Okay, that will be the. Now, when you take minus 2a, right? S minus a, now S minus b. So when you take minus 2a, right? So this will become 5a minus 4a. Right? So I think it will become 55. Right? Now when you write minus 2a, you can write minus 4a by 2. So this will become plus a by 2. And when you take the third side, S minus c, it will be minus 3a, so minus 6a by 2. So it will become 55 minus a by 2. Okay, now I think we are getting this also as a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, both ways. Denominator you can take 2, 2, 2, 2, so 4 square you can take 1 by 4 common, right? 1 by 4 common you can take, and here the remaining part, here it will become 5a square. Rather we can take 5 also common, 5 from here in these two, 5 from in these two, right? So that means it will become 25 common. So 25 I can take common, right? Remove the 5. I'm just removing the 5. So the remaining it will become 5a plus a plus 11, a minus 11. So it will become a square minus 11 square. Right? In the second part it will become again a plus 55 plus a, 55 minus a. So it will become 5 we have already taken common, 11 plus a, 11 minus a, so 11 square. Okay, but here we cannot take 5 common, sorry, we cannot take 5 common here. Okay, we cannot take 5 common here because it is 55 plus a, you cannot take 5 common. So yes, 4 you can take common. Write it in the form like this only, 55 5a, that is 5a whole square, 25a square minus 55 square. Okay, 55 square I will write 5 into 6, 3025. Right, 55 square I am writing as 3025, the square of 55. Okay, and in this case it is 55 plus a, 55 minus a. So again 3025 minus a square. Right? Okay, but in this case, if you do it like this, right? Okay, I will make it easy again. Right, one more step we need to correct it. That I will take one of the 5 common from the first two terms. right? So when you take 5 common, so this will become 11 plus a square, 11 or a plus 11, a minus 11, right? So this will become a square minus 11 square, right? Why I have done that? So that here it is positive a square, here it is negative a square, the sum of these two terms. So let's take that inside the root there are two terms, m into n. When you do m plus n, it is constant, right? See, in the brackets it is a square minus 121 first term, the second term is 3025 minus a square. If you add these two terms, a square cancel out and the sum is constant. So sum will be, it is 430 minus 129. So 2904 will be the sum, right? So if the sum is constant, the value can be maximized when both are equal, right? If the sum is constant, right, the product will be maximum when both are equal, right? If both are equal, the area will be maximum when both are equal. That means when a square minus 121 is equal to 3025 minus a square when both are equal. So it will become 2a square equal to 3025 plus 3146. That means if you divide it by 2, it will become 1573. So a square is 1573, right? The closest value, because he is talking about approximate your answer to the nearest integer, right? Now you know that a square, if it is 1600, a is 40, right? So what is 39 square? If I say 39 square, it is 1521, right? And 40 square is 1600. So it is 1573, right? 1573, which is in between these two, right? In between these two. So that means it will be close to 39.5 or 39.6. So A must be 39.6, let's say. Okay. And we are talking about the largest side. Okay, the largest side would be, if I say 3a will be the largest side. So 3 into 39.6. So 3 into 6, 8, 39, 117 and 1, 118.8. So it should be close to 119, right? I was trying to take the exact approximate, the closer value, right? Because there are 118, 119, 120, all are in the choices. So I need to take the exact value. Okay, but this was mathematical. You should know maxima minima, right? Because I want to maximize the area. So when maximizing the area, when the sum is constant, product will be maximum when both are equal, right? So we are taking those two to be equal, and from there I am getting A, and from A we can get the largest side, which is 3A, and that is 119 closest. Okay. Yes, 119 is the correct answer. I have taken very close values. That's why I was confident that 119 should be the correct answer.